It's my pleasure to welcome you all here today. Thank you for all being with us. We're obviously here to celebrate the grand opening of our latest edition and to recognize all the people that made it possible.
You guys have an amazing leadership team here.
This is the first project that I've been involved with from groundbreaking to now grand opening.
So congratulations again, and it's such an honor for the governor and I to represent you every day in Hartford.